A conference was held at the North Hudson Community Action Corporation. There, Jackie Cornell Bechelli, the regional director of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, explained how the department had dispensed funds as part of the Affordable Care Act that will help this particular location and others in New Jersey.
Brings word of continued funding for ACA enrollment so that thousands more people will be able to get insurance, get health care, get better lives.
Here alone, there was just over $500,000 that was administered a few weeks ago in the early part of the fall to help increase services, bring on more hours, bring on new staff, and with that all, allowing them to see more patients. So
Department of Health and Human Services administered $5.5 million here in New Jersey to federally qualified health centers to expand their hours, expand their services, and bring on more staff. So we're really pleased that the Affordable Care Act had some of those provisions in there to bring more dollars into community health service centers like this one here in North Hudson. And as you heard them talk about, they're expanding a lot of their OBGYN and maternal health needs here because that's the needs of the patients. And so we're really optimistic. We'll have 32,000 individuals in New Jersey, new patients, coming into FQHCs because of these dollars, as well as almost 80 new employees here in the state because of these grant dollars.
There were many important people present for the conference, including Mayor Turner, Congressman Albie Osiris, the medical director of the center, and many more. Also in attendance was the mayor of Harrison, who had some great news to share.
Harrison, we're going to open up the new North Hudson Community Action Center right next to our town hall. Mayor McDonough contracted with Joan to open up a center in the basement of our town hall annex. And we went through, cleaned everything out in there. We had a giant wall safe that we had to take out because it was a bank before it became our annex. So it was a little difficult job, but we got all of that done. We've got a lot of the things completed that have to be completed, but we're going out. We went out for the final bids 3 weeks ago. We got the bids in for. Looking forward to getting the same type of services that they have up here in West New York and in all of the other communities that they work in.
In West New York, I'm Ashley Bruno for Hudson County TV.